What makes a journey to the Boom Festival in Portugal unforgettable? BoomLand, nestled in the scenic region of Granja, Portugal, offers an expansive, natural setting perfect for a transformative festival experience. The landscape is lush and inviting, enhancing the festival's magical atmosphere, provides a sense of escape and immersion in nature. The venue is thoughtfully designed to accommodate large crowds seamlessly, features artistic installations that captivate and inspire, offers ample space for dancing, relaxation, and exploration. Known for its sustainable practices and eco-friendly initiatives, hosts a diverse range of workshops, performances, and events. Lago Artificial de Idanha-a-Nova, a stunning man-made lake offering breathtaking views. Perfect spot for cooling off during the festival's warm days. Surrounded by picturesque landscapes ideal for relaxation, provides a serene escape from the festival's bustling activities. Enhances the festival's natural beauty and tranquility. Idanha-a-Nova, a charming town nestled in the heart of Portugal, offers breathtaking landscapes and serene natural beauty. Known for its rich history and cultural heritage. Home to warm and welcoming locals. The perfect starting point for your Boom Festival adventure. Monsanto, known as the most Portuguese village in Portugal. Perched on a hilltop with stunning panoramic views. Famous for its unique stone houses integrated into the rocky landscape. Offers a glimpse into traditional Portuguese rural life. The cobblestone streets are charming and historic. A perfect blend of nature and architecture. Ideal for exploring before heading to the festival. Provides a peaceful retreat away from the festival crowds. Rich in history and culture, making it a must-visit. Sortelha. Discover a medieval village frozen in time. Walk through cobblestone streets lined with ancient stone houses. Experience breathtaking views from the castle walls. Immerse yourself in rich history and authentic architecture. Enjoy a peaceful atmosphere away from the hustle and bustle. Perfect for history enthusiasts and tranquility seekers. Serra da Estrela Nature Park. A stunning natural landscape awaits you. It's the highest mountain range in mainland Portugal. The park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails offer breathtaking views. It's a perfect escape from urban life. The biodiversity is rich and varied. Traditional villages dot the landscape. Local cuisine adds to the experience. It's a journey into Portugal's natural hearts. Nestled in the heart of Portugal, this town is a hidden gem. It's the perfect starting point for your Boom Festival adventure. The scenic views are breathtaking, offering a serene backdrop. Local cuisine provides a delightful taste of authentic Portuguese flavors. The cultural richness of the area is palpable and engaging. A visit here sets the tone for a memorable festival experience. Castelo Branco, a charming city rich in history and culture, offers stunning architecture and beautiful landscapes.
Known for its welcoming and friendly locales.
A perfect blend of tradition and modernity, provides a unique glimpse into Portuguese heritage. Belmonte, nestled in the heart of Portugal, it's a hidden gem. Offers a rich tapestry of history and culture, known for its medieval charm and scenic landscapes. Home to ancient castles and historic sites. A perfect stop for history buffs and nature lovers alike. Gardunha, a stunning rugged mountain range awaits. Trails weave through breathtaking landscapes. Ideal for hiking and nature enthusiasts. Trees dot the picturesque scenery. Hosts an annual running event for adventurers. Provides a perfect escape into nature's embrace. Offers serene views and peaceful surroundings.